Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Aurora in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit guys, and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Okay, to make it faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items I choose to create this look. Start with the hairstyle. You can combine these three hairstyles. This one, and also this one. And then we're going to color it with this color for all the selection. And for this hairstyle, you can choose only bangs. And also for this one, choose only bangs. Okay, and then you're going to put on this item. And you're going to select classic. Okay, choose this shirt. And then for the color, we're going to make it this color and then make it glitter. Okay, make it glitter. And then this is from the VIP room. Okay, you need VIP to add this item. And then you're going to color it like this. Alright. And then this Sabrina Carpenter dress. Make it this color and then make it glitter. And this is from the World Culture Update. Make it the same pink color. And this is from the VIP room. You can choose her only. Make it white. And then this crown, you can select toggle 2 and make it this color for the first section. And for the second section, and put on these heels, make it this color for the first section and also the second section. And then this necklace from the coats item, make it this color. And the last one, you can put on this basket of flower, but you can skip this item. It's just optional. And then just for the color, just leave it like that as the original color. Okay, and that's it. Those are the items you can choose to create this Princess Aurora outfit in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Aurora in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!